Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'll show you one of the way of tying this cloth, which we call it as Amama. Okay, this is a square cloth which you need to fold it diagonally by joining the diagonal ends. So of this end, I'm going on the other side and taking the other end, diagonal end, and closing it. Okay, now take this and take it behind. You need to leave around 1/4 of the amama on this side, on one side. Okay, and then you need to fold it this way by taking the center point somewhere around the center and going this side, this way. Okay, now the thing is you need to keep this tight. Okay, and one more thing is you can wear a hat, topi, which we call, or you may not use it. Without that also you can tie. Catch this very tightly. So you go behind, you take it like this, you go behind, and backside you should find this gap here, this gap you need to tuck this part of the amama. Okay, you can adjust if required, and if you find any kind of unevenness on the top, that also you can adjust by stretching this and pushing it or tucking it inside. Okay, now you can just keep this a bit behind, and you have the perfect amama here. Okay, it can be even on both the sides. If required, you can wear it this way. If you don't want much of this to come on the side, on this side, what you can do is you can just push it inside. Okay, and have a adjustable end on this side. So you can see as you can see here also, if you require you can bring it in front, or you can adjust however you want. As you can see, there is a very good way of wearing one of the type of amamas. Okay. This is how it will look. Thank you. This is my first video, and I hope you have learned something. If you want any kind of explanation in any step, you can ask me. Please do subscribe, like, and share this. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.